Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a pending payment on Apple Pay. Let's get started. Canceling a payment works a little differently depending on how you sent it. The easiest way to cancel is if you sent money directly through the Messages app using Apple Pay. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad and find a conversation thread where you sent the payment. You should see the payment as a message bubble. Tap directly on that payment message bubble. An option should appear that says Cancel Payment. Tap on that to stop the transaction. Once you go back into the conversation, the payment will now be labeled as cancelled. However, if you've deleted that message thread or can't find the payment there, you'll need to use a different method. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. You'll see a list of the cards linked to your Apple Pay. Tap on the specific card you use to make the pending payment you want to cancel. This will open the details for that card. Look for and tap on the Transactions tab. It's usually located above the Notifications option. This will bring up a list of your latest transactions made with that card through Apple Pay. Find and tap on the specific pending payment you wish to cancel from this list. On the Transaction Details screen, you should see an option to cancel payment. Tap on it to stop the transaction from being completed. It's important to act quickly, as you can only cancel a payment while it is still in a pending status. Once the recipient has accepted the funds, the payment is complete and cannot be reversed through this method.